All right, so my excitement continues with the iPhone Air here. Moving on to the iPhone Air in the gold color, or light gold as Apple is calling it. So let's see. I was really impressed by both the black and the white. Let's see here, the gold. And here it is. Wow, that is very subtle. Very, very subtle. The side is not, though. The side is absolutely stunning gold. Look at that right there. Let's go ahead and remove the front film here to see that, and also turn on the screen so we can see that as well. Look at that, though, the black and gold look right there. That is so nice. Now, this is a nice gold phone. This might be the nicest gold phone we've gotten in a long time. Now, the hue on the back could be a little bit stronger so that it's more noticeable, but it really matches that iPhone Air vibe that they're going for, of like feeling very light and airy and premium and like jewelry. And it really does. Look at that there with the screen on. Yeah, wow. That is a nice gold color, I gotta say. Now let's see the fronts here just so you can see the black and the cloud white right here from the front. You can see how much that gold, I hate that it does this. You can see that gold, kind of how much it does shine through, but it looks so, so nice. Now this is titanium here, so that's nice. It has a titanium frame, which is the material that they got rid of for the Pros that we had last year, which is such a strong and durable material at resisting scratches or anything like that. It's why I kind of want, again, this phone instead of keeping my Max. I feel like returning my 16 Pro Max because it's such a behemoth. This just feels so nice and airy. I got to tell you, it's so nice to kind of hold this phone and use it. I've been using the white one now for a couple of hours at this point, and this is definitely going back. I'm not doing the Pro Max this year. If anything, I'm either doing the normal Pro or doing the Air because these things feel amazing in the hand. And there you go, those three colors. Let's just focus a little bit on the white and gold there so you can kind of see the difference, because it's subtle, but once you compare them, it is there, especially on the sides. Look at that. Yeah, that looks so nice, though. I really, really, really like this color a lot. If you like gold phones, heck, go for this one right off the bat. You're going to love this. Now, real quick, in the box, you're not going to get anything special, just a USB-C to USB-C. It is a braided cable, though, which is nice. And then just a little getting started guide. That's going to do it for that. So nothing crazy. Now, what is a little crazy is just how thin this phone is, and I'm sure a lot of you are going to feel like it's really fragile, and it probably isn't. It's probably designed to withstand a lot of abuse, but the great thing is that you can get a screen protector like that one from our sponsor for today's video, ESR. Now, ESR has a line of different screen protectors. They also have their Armorite Pro, which is the one that I put on the Pro iPhones right here, which is even stronger than their regular screen protector. And it's even made with glass by Corning, which is the makers of the glass for a lot of these phones. But real quick, we're going to go ahead and put their normal Armorite screen protector on here, and we're going to install this. So let's go ahead and open everything in here. We get a total of 3 screen protectors, which is great because you're actually not going to be using these. It's not like the old times where you would mess up the installation and have to end up using all 3 of them. So we're going to open this pack right here. So first we'll do a wet wipe right here and just clean the phone. All right, here it is. Now we just go ahead and use the included microfiber cloth to make sure it's all dry. And then you can use the dust removal sticker to remove any little dust bits that you see. Now let's go ahead and just remove here the protector for the screen protector. Place the phone right into this little box. Hold the top of this like so. Pull, and you've installed your first screen protector on the iPhone Air. And then we go ahead and just lift it from here, and then it automatically removes that front film protector. Then it does come with a little squeegee so that you can press in any bubbles you might see in case you messed up or something, but absolutely no bubbles seen from my point of view right here. So perfect installation right there. And there you go. It is completely dust free, completely bubble free. And so make sure to check out the UltraFit Armorite Pro screen protectors and the Armorite screen protectors down below in the description. And thanks to ESR for sponsoring this video. Now you might be wondering, how does this phone look a little bit from a distance and stuff? So let me show it to you here while talking and texting. Honestly, I don't think you can really tell from a distance that this is gold. I mean, you can tell that there's maybe something to it, but if you like people knowing you have a gold phone, this is probably not gonna do that until they come a little closer and maybe see the sides of the phone and stuff. But you can kind of see it doesn't really shift color too much or anything like that. It's pretty much gonna look kind of like a whitish phone from a distance. So not gonna draw too much attention either, which is kind of a good thing in my opinion. You get to kind of appreciate the gold for yourself. and not really show it off to the world, which is kind of my favorite version of gold. Personally, I'm not a big fan of like the desert titanium last year, which was kind of like that really kind of showy gold from my perspective. But I really do like this type of gold for me. Now, seeing all three colors here, let's go ahead and put them all side by side there so you can see them. And you can kind of see those titanium sides there, how they look and how they reflect the light there. Yeah, very nice looking things. Of course, they are smudge central here, so that's something to note. If you don't like smudges, well then this is going to be plenty of smudges on basically all the colors here. We'll see the blue one in the next video, but yeah, unlike the aluminum sides on the Pro and the normal 17 that don't really attract any smudges at all, this one is. Now the Pro here is that since this phone is so thin and light, you wouldn't really want the material like aluminum because this one's a little slippery here. The sides don't like really stick onto your fingers. This one, since it's glossy on that titanium, it's like glued onto your fingers. You feel pretty secure with the phone overall, which I really do like. Instead here, yeah, I wouldn't really be doing that without a case or anything. It's just, it does feel slippery. Worth noting, it feels really good. It's a good option. It looks really good in person. Makes it look more expensive, especially than the Pro that I think just doesn't look that great now. And let me actually grab here. You can see kind of the white 17 there next to the, whoa, I thought I was holding the gold. I don't know when I switched it, but there you go, gold, white, and white. So you can kind of see the differences there. So there you go, gold, white, and white. So you can kind of see the differences there. And yeah, so the gold's not very gold, but it does look really good. So that's also a pro. So far, honestly, I really do like each iPhone 17 Air color a lot. They match the aesthetic of the iPhone 17 Air in a really great way that I just feel like the Pros does not. I don't know. Like this feels like Apple to me. This doesn't feel quite like Apple. This feels like something else for some reason, but I don't know. What do you think? What looks more aesthetically pleasing to you? Do you prefer that like tri-camera with this huge chunk here, or do you like that single camera with that bar at the top and such a thinness there? Right there, you can kind of see the thickness difference between the two, and it's substantial. It is substantial, and that's just a small one right there. Between the big one, it's just crazy how much bigger that is. Look at that. That is a substantial difference. And in case you wanted to see here, this is the white Pro or silver Pro. You can see that compared to these guys. And yeah, this one was really underwhelming to me, this color. Not a fan of it. So yeah, this was the iPhone 17 Air in the gold color. What do you think? Comment your thoughts down below. I am curious to hear what you think because I honestly think if you're interested in an iPhone right now, look at the Air. It has basically everything you would really need in a phone. You could imagine it like the spiritual successor to like an iPhone 4S or something because it only has one camera and it's super thin and nice and cute and everything. Or to, you know, akin to just older gen iPhones. It is just super, super nice. So thanks for watching this video. I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye.